sometimes in the qualification stage of a process, a customer will come and say, we want to do X. And you could just dive into it and say, oh, good, we do X. We love to do X. But if you back away from it and you say, well, why? Why do you want to do X? What brings you to needing that product or that service? Sometimes you unpack a difficult request. They'll ask us to do non-Newtonian or flow or highly nonlinear FEA analysis. And more often than not, if you unpack their problem into its constituent elements, you find out, yeah, you could do that, but that won't actually pay the bills. It'll take 3 or 4 weeks. It'll cost you gobs of money. And there are so many factors of uncertainty in the inputs that you're giving us that the output is no better than the inputs. And what we do is we'll show them how they can do this themselves. You know, they've already got the tools. They probably already have the expertise. They just need a little help in formulating the problem differently so that they can get their arms around it quicker and cheaper. And the interesting thing is that when you work hard with a customer to make sure that they own the solution and maybe they didn't need our consulting services, they come back because they really appreciate that kind of collaborative cooperation. And then maybe the next time there is a job for you. But since we're part of TriMech and TriMech is the hotline support for SolidWorks, if I get a call that turns out to just be a 2-hour extended hotline support, it's no skin off my nose. I just log that time as customer support and we don't need to bill.